Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create your own portfolio website. Let's say you are a professional and you want to showcase your skills and work you have done on your website. So you can do easily by creating a portfolio site. So after watching this video, you're able to create your own portfolio site where you can showcase your skills and work. So people can easily check out your profile and contact if they want to reach you. uh, First open WordPress admin panel. Here you can see that we can open already our WordPress admin panel. Here we go in appearance, themes, add new. Now here search for theme called arrival me. And you will get this theme. Just click on install. Active. And now we successfully installed our theme. So if you open your website, visit your site, you see that we have got our new themes. Once we install our theme, we can go step 2, which is to import the design. Now to create our portfolio website, we are going to import our ready-made design and then edit it to make it our site. So import our site, click on let's get started. So let's click on import demo. Now in order to import this design, we need to install these plugins. So we click on install and active. Now select design for your website. You can select first one and click on import. So we install these are plugins. Install now. Once you have installed the plugins, click go to the next. Go to the next step. Install the demo. Now you can see that we have successfully imported the design. So to check it, let's go back to our website, click refresh. So now you can see that we have successfully got our design. So we can go to step 3, which is to edit the content of our website. So to edit our content, we click on edit with Elementor.